Welcome back. Fomento Resources has a unique gift for children in the state. They have introduced Magic Bus in 5 constituencies in South Goa. This is first of its kind initiative in the state. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar inaugurated this Magic Bus at Kurchade. Almost 5,000 children will be benefited due to this facility.
Industries Minister Mahadev Naik, Sports Minister Ramesh Tawardkar, BJP MLAs and officials of Fomento Resources were present for the function. Children from the age group of 6 to 15 years can avail this facility. This Magic Bus will focus upon empowering children in rural areas, promoting concepts of right to play, opportunity to enroll in livelihood programs, creating confidence in young children.
Fomento Resources, Alibab, Amber Pimlo, Hanja, Prostitution, Salulari, Hajabadara, Fomento Resources, Audut Timlaje, Goa Sarkaracha Votini Abar Manta. Abar Manta Astana, Kanjani Kelle, Khasa Hadir Mamina. Dale Yedo Wallo, Karyakram organize Kurpa. जी एक डेडिकेशन लागता, जे एक मॅनेजमेंट लागता, जी एक टीम लागता, ती टीम त्या डेडिकेशनान उभी केली आणि ती टीम सतत हांगा तांकां मोटिवेट करून भुरग्यांक एकत्र हाडपाक उद्योग केले. तुम्ही जर खरेंच ताळी मारपाक जाय जाल्यार ते आमच्या अंबर बाब चिमल्या खातीर एक जोरदार ताळी जावली. सबंध जीवनात आपले ज्ञान उरतलो की असो सुंदर असो कार्यक्रम जेणे आमच्या 5 मतदारसंघातल्या विद्यार्थ्यां मुखार आनी पालकां मुखार दवरलेलो आसा.
Our reporter from Kuchade, Mayur Naik.
Tribal Minister Ramesh Tawardkar has announced a special financial assistance scheme for construction and repairs of houses for ST community. Minister has announced 2,50,000 for construction and 1 lakh rupees for repairs. He has also informed that 20,000 rupees grant would be given for performing final rites. People from ST community whose income is less than 2 lakhs can avail this scheme.
तो जे पहिली योजना अटल आश्रो योजना या योजने अंतर्गत आम्ही 2,50,000 रुपया डायरेक्ट ग्रांट स्वरूपान की ज्याचे BPL लिस्टांक आसा वा अत्यंत गरीब आसा ज्याचे इनकम 1.5 लाखापेक्षा कमी आसा अशाक ताजें बेनिफीट दिवपाच्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान पयल्या रावंडाक आमी विचार केल्लो आसा की सादारण ह्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट करपा खातीर आमच्या 100 करोड रुपीज दवरले आसा वेगवेगळ्यातले. दुसरी योजना जी आमी आखली आसा अंत्य संस्कार सहाय्य योजना की ताका आमी 20,000 पर्यंत या विधी किंवा फिनरला खातीर दिवपाची योजना आखली गेली आसा आनी तातूंत 6 म्हयन्याच्या कालावधी भितर तांणी आपली जे लागणारी ज्या स्किमीक डॉक्युमेंट्स किंवा बाकी सगळे डेथ सर्टिफिकेट बाकी जे प्रोसिजर करून जर ताका दिले जर जायत जाल्यार ताका आमी 20,000 पर्यंत ताका दिवपाची अशा तरेची योजना आखली गेली आसा.
Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Kalangut police have registered 10 cases of prostitution in the last 5.5 months. 18 victims have been rescued, whereas 31 accused have been arrested. Adding to this figure, Kalangut police also busted another sex racket on Wednesday. A pimp has been arrested by the police. A Orissa girl aged 24 has been rescued.
Seems like prostitution in the state is on the rise. Kalangut police have busted many sex rackets for the last many months. Kalangut police in the last 5.5 months have filed 10 cases of prostitutions. 18 victims are rescued in this connection, whereas 31 accused are arrested.
For the last 5.5 months, we have booked totally 10 cases. 18 victims have been rescued and 31 accused persons have been arrested.
Kalangut police also busted yet another sex racket on Wednesday. They arrested pimp Anwar Shah red-handed while supplying girl. A 24-year-old Orissa girl has been rescued.
I, along with police team from Kalangut police station, duly accompanied by NGO, conducted a raid near Palmarina apartments, Kalangut, and caught red-handed one Anwar Shah, aged 24 years, native of Maharashtra, who had brought one girl, aged 24 years, native of Orissa, in order to supply her to customer for the purpose of prostitution. In this regard, we have registered an offence under the provision of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. The accused person has been arrested and presently in police custody. The victim girl has been rescued and lodged in protective home measures.
A reporter from Kalangut, Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Religious values towards integral development. An annual inter-religious prayer meet was organized by the Patriarchal Seminary of Rashol. People from all walks of life were present at the meet.
The meeting began with the lighting of the traditional lamp by the members of different faiths. Speaker at the event spoke on topic religious values towards integral development.
वेगवेगळे धर्म वेगवेगळ्यो न्हंयो कश्यो जश्यो न्हंयो व्हांवतात आनी समुद्रांत एक जातात तशेंच सगळे धर्म एकाच देवा सरशी पावयतात सगळ्या धर्मां मदें एकचार आसचो मोग आसचो हेंच आयच्या कार्यावळीचें मुख्य हेतू.
Saba Bengre, a student of Chogole College, Madgaon, speaking on behalf of the Muslim community, pointed out at the degradation of values in personal life.
We should vigorously struggle and convince one and all that there is definitely a life after that, a life in which we are accountable to whatever we have done in this world. If you have done a good deed, you will get a reward for it, and if you have done something bad to someone, if you have harmed anyone, you will be punished for it. Getting this kind of an attitude in today's generation is difficult but not impossible.
Dr. Manoj Kamath, a lecturer at Damodar College, Madgaon, representing the Hindu faith, highlighted the presence of the divine in every human being.
इंटिग्रल डेव्हलपमेंट असं म्हणतात त्यांना इंटिग्रल डेव्हलपमेंट फक्त मनुष्याचो केल्लो एका मनशान दुसऱ्या मनशाचो केल्लो किंवा आपलो डेव्हलपमेंट केल्लो ताका डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणना त्या वेळार डेव्हलपमेंट सैमाचो जावचो पडटा डेव्हलपमेंट आमच्या शेजाऱ्यांचो जावचो पडटा डेव्हलपमेंट चारूय बाजून सगळ्या वाटेन सगळ्यांचो जावचो पडटा तेन्ना त्या अर्थान तो खरो डेव्हलपमेंट जाता.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.